Hello and welcome to Financeable. Today we are going to learn about Vauxhall Finance login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that, in the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. You just have to type the name, that is Vauxhall Finance login. And when you have typed it, you have just need to press enter in your keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown to you, and when Vauxhall Finance UK search result is shown to you, you just have to click on it and the interface will be opened. And depending on internet connection, it may take a few seconds or few minutes in order to open the interface. So when you are inside the interface, in the top there is an CS link login option. When you go around it, it changes into a darker shade of blue or violet. You just need to click on there and the login portal will be open to you. And you just need to enter your username, you need to enter your password, and you can sign in and you can do all the things and facility that is provided to you by Vauxhall Finance. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can just click here and you can retry the username or password. Or if you haven't registered, then you can just click on the register now button that is below here. Just click on the register now button, and after that you just need to fill up the form that has shown to you in the screen, and you just need to click on the submit button and you will be registered and you will be able to sign in. So this is how you can log in Vauxhall Finance. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.